Alright, so today I'm going to be attempting Bob Ross painting, and yeah, that's probably not going to go very well, because, like, I'm shitty at painting, so... There was one that I just tried to do, but you have to have a sponge and, like, contact paper, which I don't have. So I'm gonna try to find a different one really quickly. Okay, so I think I found one. I'm gonna do Distant Hills from season 3, episode 5, and it didn't really list the colors, so I guess I'm just gonna like follow it as it goes. I don't know. Okay, so first, since I didn't have contact paper the first time, I attempted to cover it with like tape. So I'm gonna take that off. Alright, and then I'm gonna paint a base coat of white, because I guess that's something that he does. So, oh, I guess before I get started, I should go get paper towels and water, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got my water and paper towels now. So, I guess I'm gonna get started, and I'm just gonna dribble this white onto the canvas first. And then like spread that around with a paintbrush. I'm gonna take this brush, put it in some water to loosen it up, and then paint this white onto the canvas. I think he does this so that like the paint will blend in with it more and like will blend easier. I'm not really sure, but either way, I'm still gonna do it. Gotta be true to the Bob Ross technique, you know? Also, this is not an original idea. I don't know who first did it, but I've just been like doing a lot of art recently and I wanted to try doing this. So, I was at my grandma's house like a couple weeks ago and I was just like watching TV, and then I saw that The Joy of Painting with Bob Ross was on, and then I was like, wait a second. So I watched it and like I was so surprised. I didn't know that they still even aired that or like did reruns. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I think I put a little too much, so I'm just gonna dab it with this like paper towel.
To start off here, we're going to take just a tiny little bit of crimson. This is alizarin crimson. Put it on the big brush and really beat it.
Okay, so he says to take the crimson, like really get it on your brush, and I don't have a big brush like him. Yeah, I don't know where I would get one of those. Okay, let me see if I have one really quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, so update, I have found one, and I also found a scraper because I think that he uses those in like all of his videos. So I also did not have crimson, so I'm mixing a little bit of red and this like more pink color. Alright, that looks pretty good. Before I use all the brushes, I'm just gonna dip them in water to like soften them up because, yeah, I haven't used these in a while. I'm just gonna take this, pat the color in there, get a nice distribution on my thing, you know? And he said he didn't want to set the sky on fire, but I think I already did. So let me just like wipe some of that off. And get a bit of white on my brush. Yeah, I've already failed this. I'm probably gonna be using a lot of white to correct myself, honestly. Wait, burnt umber? Okay, so that's like a brown, I think. I don't know if oh, here we go. I'm gonna just use this like Craft Smart brown, I guess. It's probably fucking dried out. Oh no, it's not. Okay, I'm surprised. Okay, so burnt umber above. And then a little bit at the bottom too. Okay, so now a darker brown, which I guess I already went to the dark brown. Whoops. Like, how? How does he just
Now we can find
do this? How does he just, like, put it on the canvas and it's perfect? I don't understand. Like, what the fuck? This is not like his at all. He's using oil paints and I'm using acrylics.
Rub the brush against the
So,
surface to remove the paint.
it's probably why mine doesn't
Shake
look
off
like
the excess
his.
thinner,
Also because I suck.
and then just beat the devil out of it.
Oh yeah, beat the devil out of your brush. Always important. Just beat the fuck out of it. Okay, now with this, like,
Still making the little crisscross strokes, little X strokes.
cleaner brush, we're gonna, like, blend out the sky between the brown and the pink using these crisscrosses. Okay, now he's gonna mix Van Dyke Brown, Burnt Umber, and Crimson together. So, I don't know. I don't have the correct colors for this, so I'm just like winging it. So I guess I'm just gonna add this crimson and the brown together and like hope that that's like the same-ish color. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to shake your paints before you use them, right? So yeah, some of that, some of this darker brown, and then some of the crimson. I don't know why I said crimson, I meant crimson. So now I'm mixing all my colors together. Alright, so yeah, this is about the same color as his. So now we're taking this and just like scratching some clouds into the sky.
Just sort of,
So now we're gonna take the brush
okay,
and like follow these and like,
do something a little bit different. Same color as the clouds.
oh fuck, I think I fucked up.
This is just lay in basic.
I think I fucked up. I think I should have like tried to do this with oils because this looks a lot different when you're using acrylics. Okay, I'm gonna deviate a little bit from what he's doing just so that I can make it look more like it, if that makes sense, because like I'm messing up. So I'm just gonna take some white and like fix this.
A small
Okay,
amount.
so those are my mountains.
Once again, just the corner of the fan
Okay,
brush.
now I'm gonna get, I don't have a fan brush, so I'm just gonna like,
Tiny circles. Maybe this blows right out like that. Let's go right up in here. Let's just
now near the mountains at the top, he's just like adding some clouds. Like, how is he so good at this?
At this point,
Okay, so these are my clouds so far, right here.
gently blend
They kind of look like shit.
I'm just using the corner and crimson to put it all together.
Like, I don't understand how he's so good at painting. Like, he just kind of does whatever and it works.
And then I'm going to take a little bit of one, put some little indications.
Okay, so those are my clouds, and then the mountains.
Super. I'm just pulling straight
Okay,
down.
so now he's making some, like, foothills.
Just a little distance.
So, I'm gonna take a little bit of this, like, lighter brown and mix it with the darker brown to create, like, a good brown, you know? Because this is too light and that was too dark. Okay, I didn't even get to the foothills yet. I was still fucking mixing my paint.
Maybe right in
Okay, so this is what I have. I just have one foothill, some clouds, this mountain. I feel like the mountain needs to be more defined, so I'm gonna go back with that. There's a famous line, we don't have mistakes, only happy accidents. He just keeps painting more and more foothills. Like, I'm beginning to wonder if he likes foothills, like, I don't know. Okay, now I was taking this again and putting some white on it to create like a water line. We're gonna bring an overhang into this corner right here and make it kind of look like we're like looking over the edge. So I'm kind of adding this dead tree on this overhang here. Just to give it some, I wouldn't say life considering it's dead, but some dimension, I guess. Okay, so I think he's finished with the video, but yeah, I don't think I quite lived up to Bob Ross's expectations. Mine's kind of bad, not gonna lie. Like, this is mine, it's not very good. Especially compared to his. Like, look at this. Like, look at his compared to mine. Like, his is so much better. But, like, I tried, so I guess that's what matters. So, oh, fuck, I just dropped my painting. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this very, very shitty attempt. And I will see you in the next video.